Cloud services are infrastructure, platforms, or software that are hosted by third-party providers such as Microsoft, Amazon, and Google Cloud and made available to users through the internet. Some examples of cloud services include your cloud emails such as Microsoft Exchange Online and Google's G Suite, your file sharing such as Microsoft OneDrive, Google Drive, and Dropbox, your cloud phone system such as 3CX or Microsoft Teams phone system. The benefits of cloud services include the flexibility to work from anywhere. You're no longer relying on hardware that's installed in your business premises. Redundancy. So most cloud services are backed by a 99.9% service level agreement. This keeps your business operating around the clock. Better collaboration. So the ability to work on documents simultaneously and in real time. And staying connected through products such as Microsoft Teams. A reduced capital expenditure, eliminating upfront costs and spreading payments over a fixed monthly basis. So scalability, being able to scale up your business IT needs as and when you need them. This is typically done on a per user basis. Disaster recovery, so with a traditional IT system, the on-site hardware needs to be backed up on either a daily or a weekly basis. With cloud services, this is done automatically through the use of cloud retention policies or by using an external SaaS backup. For more information, please contact a member of our team.